This is SAT Test 4, Calculator section, question number 9. We have a two-way table with two categorical variables showing the number of registered voters in thousands in each age group and from each region of the country. The question is, if a registered voter age 18 to 44 is chosen at random, which is closest to the probability that the voter was from the Midwest? As always with two-way tables, we're going to look for a numerator, which is the individuals who could be chosen, who count toward the probability we want, and a denominator, which is all individuals who could be chosen based on the wording of the question. You have to read these very carefully because they change the wording around, so they might want one or more columns, one or more rows, or the entire table. In this case, they said if a registered voter 18 to 44 years old is chosen. So the denominator, all those who could be chosen, is all voters 18 to 44, which is not 18 to 24, the first column. It's the first column and the second column. So it's 14,766 plus 47,896. So that's all voters who could be chosen if a registered voter 18 to 44 years old was chosen. And now their question is, among those voters, what's the probability that the registered voter was from the Midwest? So this is those from the Midwest in those two columns. That's only the 3,453 plus the 11,237. And we can take that to our calculator, of course, because this is a calculator question and we don't want to trip over the arithmetic. Our denominator is 62,662 and our numerator is 14,690, and that simplifies to 0.234. The closest answer is 0.25. If you worry about copying down all those numbers correctly, typing them all correctly, or if you have to do this without a calculator, you can approximate and just take your denominator as 15 plus 48. Ignore the last three digits, and your numerator as 3 plus 11. And that's 3 plus 11 is 14 over 15 plus 48 is 0.22. Again, 0.25 is the closest answer. It's a little easier to enter. If your answer choices are very close together, that's probably not safe. But given choices 0.1, 0.25, or 0.4, that small amount of rounding may save you a little time, which is a good thing, particularly if you're under time pressure. Again, two-way tables, always identify your denominator first, all individuals who could be chosen under the wording of the question, and then your numerator, among those individuals, the group you want the probability of selecting. Come back soon for my next SAT math video. With math, there's always more.